Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss how we can find alternate or equivalent or substitute for a MOSFET K2544. Basically it is a question from one of my viewer, Jeff Bobo. He writes, I troubleshooted my power supply using your methods and found a bad MOSFET K2544, but having trouble finding in stock or a compatible one. Could you please help me, please? First of all, I am thankful for your message. It's my pleasure. Let's check equivalent for K2544. If you are mobile user, if you are desktop user, go to the web address in the address bar, alltransistors.com. There are many equivalent sites which give you equivalent or substitute. Type here K2544, enter, scroll down, BJT MOSFET. Here it gives 2 SK2544 and marking on the component that will K2544, the actual number 2 SK2544. Click on this number and here it will give data: 80 watt, 600 volts, gate to source volt 30 volts, 6 ampere. So this is the basic requirement for our selection, that maximum drain current 6 ampere and 600 volts, and its RDS, it is 1.25 ohm in on condition when it will saturate. In that case its total internal resistance from source to drain, that is 1.25 ohm. You can select any MOSFET with 600 volt, 6 ampere, 1.25 RDS. Here we can find the data sheet. Just click on the data and it will give a complete data for this MOSFET, and you can find the internal structure as well. So it have a protection diode from source to drain. So let's check it. Go to equivalent. In the equivalent page it will give some parametric search. Here it says polarity N channel MOSFET, dissipation 80 watt, VDS, drain to source voltage 600 volts. Here it is giving the equivalent numbers: 2SK1117, 2SK2027, it is in 2SK7. Then we have another number 8 and 60. These are very common numbers, 12 and 65. In these MOSFETs we have to find the RDS 1.2 ohms or less than 1.2 ohm, or equal than 1.2, 1.25 ohm. So any MOSFET we can use it. We can say 10 and 65. So it is 650 volts and 10 ampere. 7 and 60, it is 7 ampere, 600 volts and 1.2 ohms, and it is very common MOSFET. These all numbers are MOSFET, and you can find anyone equivalent with the same these parameters: RDS, VDS, VGS, voltage drain to source, voltage gate to source, and resistance drain to source. The mounting style, it's almost the same. If you cannot find some equivalent in some cases, then you can change the parameters, then you can refine your search and you will find the equivalent as well. If it is 600 volt, you can select 700 volt. Here if it is 80 watt, you can select some other equivalent or closer ranging 90 watt, then you can find the equivalent number. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.